Hey guys, so now I'm going to try to teach you how to play freebird. Just the riff though. So okay, so that's what it's going to be. So you're going to want to slide from the 5th. I like to slide from the 5th on the G string. Slide from the 5th up to the 12th fret on the G. So, or maybe the 4th fret. I like the 4th better, so we'll go 4th. So to 12, and then hit 12 again, to 11. So hit on the 4th note on the G string, slide it up to the 12th, hit the 12 again, and then slide to 11. And then this is where it gets a bit tricky. You're going to hit the 11 once, back up to 12, and back. You can hit it 3 times if you want, but it all depends on if you're using electric and how loud your amp is. So, start from the beginning. And from here, I actually like to slide from the 7th to the 11th, but you don't have to. So, whoops. So that's the tricky part. So now that you've got the beginning, which is the 4th, start from the 4th, slide up to the 12th, then drop back to 11, then 12, then 11. So. And then you slide from the 12th to the 11, and then 11. Yeah, so 12, 11, and then so that's 12, 11, slide down. So 12, 11, 9, 7, 9, 11. That's really tricky, but that's the speed you want. So you can slide and stuff, but in the beginning you just want to hit it right. So 11. You end it with the slide from the 7th to the 9th. So 11, 12, 11. 11, 12, 11, 9, 7, 9, 11, and then slide from 7 to 9. Okay, so we'll start from the beginning. And if you've got that, I'll do it slow from the beginning. And then from there, you go backwards. So from 9 to 7. So. So that's, everything was on the G string from there on. And now we're going to switch down to the D string. But first we go G, 9, 9, 7, and then 9 on the D string, and slide up 1 fret. So. So on the G, 9, 7, D string, 9, slide up to 10. And then you're going to go 10 on the G string 3 times, 1, 2, 3 on the 10th fret, and then down to the 9th fret. 1. So 9, 9, 9, oh wait, 10, 10, 10, 9, 10, and then all the way down on the D string, 1, 2, 5, 10 on the D string, all the way down to 5. So for the beginning. That's what we got so far. So that's 3 parts, I guess. You can break it down into 3. Thank you for watching. If you do want to learn more, or you want me to do it slower, or whatever, please let me know. And again, that's just... And that's all we got. So, like or leave a comment. I don't really care. Comment, I prefer, that way I know people are actually engaging. And if you want to learn more, let me know. I know quite a bit. I'm self-taught. I learned from tabs. I found chords from the beginning. Learning with chords made me quit. So I would start with tabs. So when you hear me say 11, 10, whatever, that's the fret. And that's like how I've learned guitar. I've taught myself. So anyways, take it easy. Peace out.